到是这样。你量这边，挖口不要低头啊。The one with the cable is in front. Machine, this area. And you can saw the mark. This mark here. So this mark. And remember, this screw, before you put the pin, you need to put it flat, like this. Okay. So now we need to measure from the corner to this corner. After check the distance, now we need to tight or screw. Now we need to adjust the level of the machine. Now put this 4 stick on the machine, X1, X2, X3, and X4. And put the screw inside, but don't tighten it. Because later, maybe we need to adjust a little the distance. 完了，我又他妈重新录了一段。对，之前那个。So there is 2 screw. The middle one is used for hold. When you put the table on the machine, it's used for help to hold the table. So first you need to adjust the screw. The length is 49 millimeter. And this one is used for lock the table. This one. So this one, this length should be 15 millimeter. So you need to adjust all of the screw one by one before you put the table. Now we need to install the ATC on the machine. Also, you can see there is a marker. You see the position for the ATC.好，对吧？进吗？进。
对。
你进去了吗？那边？
我进去了。
进去了，推出来一点，进去了。好。
好，对。
进不了。进不了我这里。我进不了这里。
不是进去了吗？
进不了。
So when you put the gum tray, you must put the slider in a rail, and must be careful because there have some ball inside the slider. Okay, push a little more. Then you should put this part inside. This is used for stop the gum tray.
其实我还是把车抬过来吧。点不漏吗？
没事的。
不是那个压灰那张里面的就露出来了。
没。
我把它放到就行了嘛。
来。好。上面的有点紧。So there have 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. The single one is in the front, and these 2. Okay, when you put the table, please check the direction of the table. After put this screw inside, we need to remove the middle 2 screw, because these 2 screw only for hip. So after put the table, we can use the hammer to adjust this stick, until you get the perfect each for each table. Like this one, we need to adjust because they're not flat. And also on the table, you can saw the number 1. So when we adjust the table, first we need to check this table to this area, the head holder, this area, the distance should be 57.5 millimeter. And we can adjust this screw to let the table up and down until we get 57.5. So for each table, we need to adjust this for 4 corners. 1, 2, and 3, 4 corners. So then we need to use the gauge to adjust the table again. So we need to adjust the screw on the table one by one until every screw we get the same distance. 이거 고마워지는 거는
一来就知道说啥。
对，对，下一颗。好，After adjust the table, you need to knock all this screw. Pipe like this. This part is used for hold the pipe. And this part is used for connect the vacuum. And if you want to put the vacuum inside under the table, so this one you need to turn 180 degree to that side, so you can put the vacuum under the table. To connect the pipe, we need to use the gauge. Check the table one more time. Also, the same screw, a screw, one by one, to check all the table again. To put the air control box on the machine, we need to connect the tube to the cylinder. So you can see there have many tubes. So you need to connect it to the cylinder one by one. This cable is for the ports, so you can follow the marker ports. We have 4 pieces of these parts, and only one piece is different. You can see this one don't have this part here, but this one has. So this one is specially for this corner because this place have the motor. So this piece go there.装上。
This cable is communication cable. This one is PC communication, the server port. This one inside in this control box. This 2, COM1, COM2. This control connector. This 2 cable. This USB. USB inside this PC USB. This cable is one 3 point connector. This 2. Now our install CCD camera. This one is CCD camera board. This one is CCD control slide plot. This CCD cable. Now first open the computer box and folder this one. This is PCI. Okay. Now install the CCD board inside this PCI. Okay. This is okay. Now insert this communication cable. Okay. Now this one is very small cable. I will just use this red color, this cable. Okay, connect this CCD camera, this cable. Okay, you see, this one is connected. Finish.
On the computer table, there is a cable for the emergency stop. So this cable should be connected to the main box.
This button is start button, and this is stop button, and this is emergency button, and this one is vacuum cleaner button. I now install the nail cutting hand, and first look at here, this plug and this plug, and this screw and this screw inside here, this screw inside here. Okay. Then go this screw and this screw. After that, finish.
This cable was connected the automatic tool change and these two buttons. One of these is material thickness detection, and this one is a manual tool change. And you can see a plug inside of the automatic tool change here.
So here is our rotor air connection and the cooling water connection. First, here is the air input position, and go out from here. And this tube will separate from here. Another one direction is going to there. Another position will go into the cutting head. So I mark this tube to the go into the cutting head to number 4. And this tube is connecting on the back side of the control box. Here have the input, and here have output. And output is cooling air. Is will connecting to the rotor. And I name this tube is number 3. This is our rotor cooling water system. So on the cooling water box, here have the input position and output position. This input position need connected to the rotor with the output position on the rotor. And the output position here need connecting the input position on router. And here is our router air connection. First, this tube is connecting on the cutting head. So this is the output and this is the input. So the input, we're connecting this one, that's all. So this input position, we're connecting to the router control box with number 3. And this is the router cooling air. And this tube directly going to the router control box and with the marking 4. So this is the router cooling water input. Here input is connecting the output on the cooling water box. And this output of the router need to connect to the input on the water cooling box.
This one is a router communication cable. This one plug inside this DB9. This one is this one connected PC. This USB inside this computer, the USB port.
This cable is connect to computer. This is to computer, USB.
First, we need to put down the brush and put in 2 teeth inside this holder. Then putting the screw inside here. Another one is using this hole to lock the screw. So here is the belt of conveyor system, how to put it. First, we need on the front and the back, the felt need under the roller is through here. And in the middle, the belt need up on the roller, like this. Front, and on the front, it's same as the back side. The belt should be under the roller. This is how to connecting melt the felt.
Kỹ rồi.